A Protected Place by Elizabeth Sengel. Genre: non-fiction. A science article is non-fiction. It gives facts about a topic in nature. Text features: look for photographs with captions. They help you understand the text better. An okapi eats leaves. A special place. The Okapi Reserve is an amazing place full of amazing plants. It is in the northeast corner of the Congo, and it is part of a tropical rainforest called the Ituri Forest. The reserve covers 5,200 square miles of land. If you flew over the reserve in a plane, all you would see is a thick green cover. But plant life fills the forest. From top to bottom, it is a tangle of roots, branches, and leaves. The forest is so dense that very little sunlight seeps in. A variety of plants. One amazing thing about the Okapi Reserve is its diversity of plants. There are hundreds of native species of plants in the reserve. Vines dangle from trees. The leaves of giant ferns curve like dinosaur tails. Tall trees reach towards the sky and make a roof with their thick leaves. A strangler fig grows around another tree in the forest. The purpose of the reserve. The Okapi Reserve was created in 1992. The purpose of the reserve is to protect the rich diversity of plants and animals. The reserve's name comes from one of those animals, the okapi. The strange-looking animal has the stripes of a zebra and the neck of a horse. But guess what? It's related to the giraffe. A leafy home. Many different animals, such as elephants, duikers and pottles, depend on the forest. Some of the animals make their homes in trees. Yellow-backed duiker, pottle or tree bear. An elephant eats plants in the forest. Many animals also rely on plants for food. Remember the okapi? It eats the leaves of plants that grow well in the dim light of the forest. It has a long tongue that rips the leaves off the branches. The Okapi Reserve has plenty of leaves for okapis to munch. A home for humans. People make their home in the Okapi Reserve too. Mbuti pygmies have been living in the rainforest for hundreds of years. According to one botanist, Mbuti pygmies are walking dictionaries of nature. They understand everything about the forest, and they rely on it for food, shelter, and clothing. Mbuti pygmies travel from place to place to hunt and fish. They don't just catch game though, they also collect insects, seeds, fruit, and honey to eat. They make nets, arrows, and other necessities from forest materials like wood, bark, mud, and leaves. A brave botanist. Colonel Iwango is a botanist who works on the reserve. He loves the forest and its plants and animals. In 1996, something terrible happened. A war broke out in the Congo. Soldiers invaded the forest. They destroyed the plants and killed animals. Many of the workers on the reserve ran away, but Iwango wouldn't leave. He knew he had to save the forest. I was afraid, he says, but I didn't have a choice. Iwango rushed to save what he could. He grabbed computer and buried data files in the forest. He packed thousands of plant samples in boxes. Friends kept the plants safe. Iwango hopped on a bicycle and carried other plants into a neighbouring country. Because of Iwango, unique and valuable plants were saved. They would continue to grow again after the fighting stopped in 2002. The future of the reserve. Today, the Okapi Reserve still faces threats. Sometimes people destroy animals' homes, they chop down trees. Yet Iwango and other people work every day to solve these problems. Iwango believes that Congo needs more scientists to study its forests. He is working hard to train a new generation of students. He wants young people to understand and protect the Okapi Reserve and other rainforests in Congo.